Btali BT 1150 HPW to 300W to 40 bar high pressure washer. 2300-watt motor provides exceptional cleaning power for a wide range of tasks. 240 bar maximum pressure easily blasts away dirt, grime, and mold. 16 liters per minute flow rate delivers a powerful stream of water to quickly clean large areas. Self-suction motor draws water from a variety of sources, making it ideal for use even without a direct water connection. Auto-stop function automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released, saving energy and extending the life of the washer. Compact and portable design, easy to transport and store, making it perfect for use around the home or on the go.